Today we are going to explore the best gadgets on Amazon that combine innovation, convenience, and top-notch performance. From cutting-edge smartwatches to immersive VR headsets, these must-have devices will upgrade your tech game. Let's dive into the top picks. The Anker PowerWave Pad is a sleek and efficient key wireless charger designed to power up your devices with ease. It delivers 7.5W fast charging for iPhone models like iPhone SE 2020, 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max, ensuring a quick and safe charge. For Samsung Galaxy devices, including S20, S10, S9, Note 10, and Note 9, it provides 10W high-speed charging. With advanced safety features, the PowerWave Pad protects against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits. The slim, non-slip design keeps your device secure while charging. It's also compatible with AirPods and other keyboard devices, making it a versatile addition to your setup. Simply place your device on the pad, no need for cables or alignment struggles. The case-friendly design allows charging through most phone cases up to 5 IM thick. Experience reliable, high-speed wireless charging with Anker's trusted technology. The Rocketbook Core Digital Notebook is the ultimate reusable smart notepad, designed for a seamless blend of traditional writing and digital convenience. This A5 black spiral notebook features dotted pages, perfect for note-taking, brainstorming, and sketching. With the included Pilot Friction pen, you can write smoothly and erase with ease using a damp cloth, allowing for infinite reuse and reducing paper waste. Using the Rocketbook app, you can scan, save, and share your notes instantly to cloud services like Google Drive, OneNote, Dropbox, and more. The AI-powered search and smart titles make organizing your notes effortless. The durable spiral binding and water-resistant pages ensure longevity, while the compact A5 size makes it ideal for work, school, or travel. Say goodbye to cluttered notebooks and embrace eco-friendly digital note-taking with the Rocketbook Core, the perfect fusion of innovation and sustainability. The Blink Mini is a smart indoor security camera designed for 24/7 home monitoring with ease. Featuring 1080p HD video, it delivers crisp and clear footage to keep your home secure. The motion detection alerts notify you instantly when movement is detected, ensuring you never miss a moment. With two-way audio, you can hear and speak to people or pets through the Blink app, no matter where you are. The simple plug-in setup makes installation quick and hassle-free. Compatible with Alexa, it allows for voice control and smart home integration for added convenience. Choose between cloud storage with a Blink subscription or local storage with a Blink Sync. Module 2 is the powerful. The Blink Mini is the perfect solution for indoor security, baby monitoring, or keeping an eye on pets. Stay connected and secure. With Blink Mini's smart surveillance features, the Roku Premiere is a powerful 4K streaming player that delivers stunning HD 4K and HDR picture quality for an immersive viewing experience. Enjoy your favorite content from Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, YouTube, Apple TV, and more, all in vivid colors and sharp detail. With a simple setup, just plug it into your TV's HDMI port and connect to Wi-Fi to start streaming instantly. The intuitive Roku interface makes navigation effortless, while the included remote control ensures easy access to your favorite shows and movies. Thanks to Roku's free mobile app, you can control playback, search content with voice commands, and enjoy private listening with headphones. The compact design makes it perfect for any TV setup, whether in the living room, bedroom, or on the go. Upgrade your entertainment with Roku Premiere, your gateway to a world of seamless, high-quality streaming. The Lectrofan Micro2 is a portable white noise machine, fan sound generator, and Bluetooth speaker designed to improve sleep, focus, and relaxation. Featuring 11 unique sounds including white noise, pink noise, brown noise, and fan sounds, it helps mask background noise for a more peaceful environment. Its compact, travel-friendly design makes it perfect for home, office, or on-the-go use. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can also stream music, podcasts, or calls directly from your device. The built-in rechargeable battery offers up to 40 hours of sound playback and up to 20 hours of Bluetooth audio, ensuring long-lasting use. The rotating speaker design delivers high-quality sound in any direction, making it ideal for sleeping, studying, or relaxation. Whether you need better sleep, improved concentration, or portable speaker, the Lectrofan Micro2 is the perfect solution for customizable sound and convenience. The iRobot Roomba E6192 is a powerful robot vacuum designed for effortless home cleaning. Equipped with dual multi-surface rubber brushes, it adapts to different floor types and prevents hair tangles, making it ideal for pet owners. The high-efficiency filter captures dust, dirt, and allergens, ensuring a cleaner home. With intelligent navigation and dirt detection sensors, Roomba identifies high-traffic areas and provides a deep clean where it's needed most. It offers personalized cleaning suggestions based on your habits and seasonal needs. The Roomba E6192 is compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing hands-free control. Simply use voice commands or the iRobot Home app to schedule cleanings anytime. Powered by a 33W motor, it delivers strong suction for thorough cleaning. Upgrade your home with Roomba E6192, smart, efficient, and perfect for pet-friendly households. The Ultimate Ears wonderboom 3 is a powerful portable Bluetooth speaker designed for big 360 dBe sound with deep bass in a compact size. With an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, it's built to withstand any adventure. It even floats in water, making it perfect for pool parties, beach trips, or outdoor adventures. Enjoy up to 14 hours of playtime on a single charge, and with a 40M wireless range, you can stream music freely from your device. The Outdoor Boost mode enhances sound for open spaces, ensuring crisp, clear audio wherever you go. Its rugged, drop-proof design makes it ultra-durable, while the easy-to-use controls let you play, pause, and skip tracks directly from the speaker. Pair two wonderboom 3 speakers for even bigger stereo sound. Take your music anywhere with the Ultimate Ears wonderboom 3 Bold, bassy, and built for adventure. The Nintendo Switch Lite is a compact and lightweight gaming console designed for portable play. Featuring a 5.5-inch LCD touchscreen, it delivers bright and sharp visuals, making your favorite games come to life. With 32 GB of internal storage, you can download and store multiple games and expand the storage with a micro SD card sold separately. Built for on-the-go gaming, the Switch Lite has integrated controls and a sleek ergonomic design, making it comfortable for long play sessions. Compatible with all Nintendo Switch games that support handheld mode, it gives you access to popular titles like Animal Crossing, Zelda, and Mario Kart. Enjoy wireless multiplayer gaming, connect with friends online via Nintendo Switch Online, and experience smooth gameplay with its long-lasting battery. Perfect for gamers who love portability and performance, the Nintendo Switch Lite Blue is your ultimate handheld gaming companion. The Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation deliver an unparalleled audio experience with adaptive transparency and active noise cancellation, ANC, reducing unwanted background noise for immersive sound. Featuring a custom-designed H2 chip, they provide richer bass, crystal clear highs, and spatial audio for a truly dynamic listening experience. With personalized spatial audio, the AirPods Pro adapt to your ears for a theater-like sound experience. The touch controls allow you to adjust volume, skip tracks, and manage calls effortlessly. The improved battery life offers up to 6 hours of listening time, with the MagSafe charging case extending it to 30 hours. Designed for comfort, they include multiple ear tip sizes for a perfect fit. Sweat and water resistance, IPX4, make them ideal for workouts or outdoor use. Seamlessly integrate with Apple devices, switching between iPhone, iPad, and Mac effortlessly. Experience the next level of wireless audio with the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Premium sound, comfort, and innovation in every detail. The Apple Watch Series 6 GPS 44mm in space gray aluminum case with black sport band is a powerful smartwatch designed to enhance your daily life. Featuring a brilliant, always-on Retina display, it provides crisp, clear visuals even in direct sunlight. Monitor your health with advanced sensors, including blood oxygen monitoring, an ECG app, and heart rate tracking. Stay active with customized workouts, activity rings, and fitness tracking, while built-in GPS keeps track of your runs and routes without needing your phone. Receive calls, texts, and app notifications directly on your wrist, and use Siri, Apple Pay, and music streaming for seamless convenience. The water-resistant design makes it perfect for swimming, while the fast-charging battery keeps you connected throughout the day. With powerful performance and watchOS features, the Apple Watch Series 6 is the ultimate fitness and lifestyle companion. Stylish, smart, and built for every moment.